Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video. A very warm welcome to another video of mine. Today I'm gonna talk about the planet Rahu in the nakshatra of Rohini. The lord of the Rohini nakshatra is Moon, and Rohini manifests itself in the sign of Taurus. So what can you all expect from this Rahu in the Rohini Nakshatra? I mean, what can all the moon signs and ascendants expect from this particular Rahu in the Nakshatra of Rohini? The lord of this Nakshatra Rohini is Moon, and Moon rules the Cancer sign. And Cancer is the natural fourth house in a horoscope, and Taurus is the second natural sign of a horoscope, and the lord of the Taurus sign is Venus. So basically Rahu is going to affect the Moon and Venus, and Moon and Venus are what? Moon is your mind and Venus is your relationships, luxuries. So let me start predicting about all the signs, all the moon signs and the ascendants, and let me tell you all how this Rahu would behave for you during this time. Let me first start with the Aries sign. You know, Aries can expect some turmoil in their family. They can expect some expenses behind their family. Until now, Aries sign was grappling with the idea of how to manage their life, how to manage their family. But this particular Rahu will give them an answer to their question. You will be able to decipher how to manage your family during this time. You will recognize how to make things happen for your family. You will discern how to keep your family members happy during this time. And not only in the matters of family, you will be able to understand and recognize how to accumulate money in your life. Hence, you will make the necessary investments. For Taurus sign people, this particular Rahu in the Rohini Nakshatra will give you brilliant ideas. You were being held back by your own relatives and friends from doing certain things in your life. But during this time, you will not listen to anyone, and you will move ahead with your ideas and plans. And these particular ideas and plans which you will work on will give you excellent results in the future. So my suggestion to y'all would be, do not listen to anyone anymore and just keep on working on those ideas and thoughts you have in your mind, and you will see that sooner rather than later you will be successful. For Gemini sign people, I see you all focusing on something which does not belong to this particular world. You will take the help of God. You will take the help of spirituality. You will do some research during this time to make sure that your future life becomes easy for you. You will come to know during this time which business you want to go into, which job you want to do, which sector you want to go into. For example, if you do not know which stream to go, should you take up arts, commerce or science, etc., 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 this time you will be able to understand which stream to take in your college. This is just an example. It could be in any sphere of your life. So you will be able to understand and find a way for yourself during this time. I mean, you will understand how to move forward in your life. Well, for Cancer sign people, this particular time will yield a lot of profit for you all. It can be in any field. You see, if you are doing a job, you can expect a promotion. If you are doing a business, you can expect to earn money more than what you had expected. If you are a student, you can expect to get more marks than what you deserve. So basically, this is a time for profits and more than expected gains. Well, for Leo sign people, this particular Rahu in the nakshatra of Rohini will give you tremendous courage to work. It will give you tremendous energy to work in your job, in your business, in your career. Your hard work during this time will yield results in the future. I mean, it will give you recognition and status in your life in the future. So do not waste any time during this transit of Rahu in the nakshatra of Rohini. Virgo sign people, you can expect a change in your fortunes. You can expect to get lucky. The things, the stuff which was stuck in your life will start to move forward once again. The things which you hadn't achieved earlier, you will be able to achieve during this time. For example, the money which was stuck with a customer, the payment which you were supposed to receive from your customer will be released by that customer during this time. The deal which you had been working on and you were not able to make any breakthrough in it, during this time you will make a breakthrough in that particular deal. Similarly, in any field, you will get lucky during this time. For Libra sign people, you can expect some money from somewhere suddenly. It could be that you get your inheritance money during this time, or an elderly in your family may give you a gift which would be a windfall. Your faith and belief in God would increase during this time, and you will try to understand the inner meaning of life. It would be difficult for other people to understand you and what you are doing at this point in time. For Scorpio sign people, you can expect to start a business at this point in time. You can get married if there had been any sort of misunderstanding between you and your wife, between you and your business partner, between you and your friends. Then during this time, those misunderstandings will finish. It will finish completely. For Sagittarius sign people, I want to tell y'all that during this time, your enemies will become your friends. You will try to forgive and forget any wrongdoings committed against you. Your attitude will be such that you will want to forgive everyone and move forward with your life. You will take off those baggages of anger and resentment from your shoulders, and you will want to move forward in your life without that weight of anger or resentment. Well, for Capricorn sign people, it is time to get creative in life, and this newborn creative nature in you will give you a lot of profits. You can get creative in your career, in your job, in your business. You can get creative in such a way that you will find solutions on how to deal with people, on how to deal with relationships. During this time, you will mull over on how to invest your money in your life, and your thought process behind your investments will yield a lot of profits in the future. Well, for Aquarius sign people, you will want peace in your life during this time. You were going through a lot of hardships and struggles earlier, but during this time, you will find a solution which will give you peace, tranquility, and calmness. Your mother is gonna support you in everything you do. You will understand that peace, calmness, and tranquility are within you and not in the outer world. Hence, you will tend to be quiet and calm during this time, which in turn will give you a lot of peace. You will be talking less and thinking more. Well, For Pisces sign people, your indecision in your life was creating a problem for you. Your indecisiveness was creating confusion for you. You were not able to decide in terms of your career, in terms of your relationships. But in this phase of Rahu in the Rohini Nakshatra, it will give you the strength to take decisions. These decisions which you will take will give you a lot of support in your future. My suggestion to y'all would be, do not postpone anything anymore. Otherwise, it will be too late for y'all. Well, these are my general predictions about Rahu in the Rohini Nakshatra. Well, if you wish to know your future through astrology and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, if you want a life full of love, peace, calmness, tranquility, success, prosperity, richness, and money, and you are hell bent on taking your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great life ahead. God bless y'all. Jai Mata Di, Jai Ma Kali.